Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 4066R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with loader, has the 440R quick attach front loader. Tractor has right at 800 hours. Tractor is really nice and clean. It comes from a small property in Kentucky. Previous owner was using it for property maintenance, and they ended up selling their property and moving, so no longer had a need for the tractor. So the tractor is in really nice shape. Again, does come with the 440R loader and does have right at 800 hours. Does come with the balance of the factory warranty as well. Does have the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket quick attach. R4 tires are in good shape. Has doors on both sides of the cab, fork lights on front and back of the cab. Tractor also has the 3-point downforce kit, which is kind of hard to find on these tractors. It's got the external cylinders that actually put down pressure on the 3-point arms. Top link is with the machine, has dual rear hydraulics back here. Also has the Hitch Assist feature, which consists of the knob to raise and lower the 3-point arms, and then also the buttons on the fender to move the tractor forward and back. So basically, if you are hooking an attachment and you get your tractor close to the attachment, you can finish it with the buttons here and the 3-point control here. So very, very convenient feature when you're hooking attachments. Show you the inside of the cab. It's nice and clean in here. Has the air ride seat for the operator, tilt steering wheel, all your controls for your loader, hydraulics, 3-point PTO, everything is located there to the right. This tractor also has a load match, speed match, motion match features, as well as the automotive style cruise control. Has the twin pedal hydrostat transmission, which has 3 ranges, which are located here to the left of the seat. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.